Picture your perfect summer evening, ruined by the high-pitched whine of a mosquito. Instead of reaching for chemical sprays, what if you could create a beautiful, fragrant, mosquito no-fly zone with plants growing right in your garden? We're going to run through 10 plants today and how to deploy them strategically to build a natural shield against those biting menaces. Number 1, the aromatic powerhouse lavender. First on our list is the undisputed champ of fragrance and function, lavender. When you see those fields of purple, you probably think of calming soaps and relaxing scents. But for mosquitoes, that beautiful smell is a big fat keep-out sign. Lavender's secret weapon is an essential oil rich in a compound called linalool. This natural alcohol creates that strong floral scent that we find so delightful, but it completely overloads a mosquito's sensitive sense of smell. Basically, the smell we love, they hate. It helps mask the scents our bodies produce, like carbon dioxide, which is what mosquitoes use to track us down. Studies have shown that lavender essential oil has a significant repellent rate, making it a science-backed choice for your garden. Here's your pro tip. With lavender, it's all about location, location, location. It loves full sun and soil that drains well, so it's perfect for those hot, dry spots in your yard. Plant it along walkways, near your patio, or around seating areas. Every time you brush past the plant, you'll break open tiny glands on the leaves, releasing that mosquito-repelling aroma into the air. You get a lovely burst of fragrance, and mosquitoes get a clear signal to buzz off. And for your bonus benefit, lavender isn't just a mosquito fighter. It's incredibly drought-tolerant, which makes it a low-maintenance pick for anyone who's busy. Plus, while it's warding off pests, those beautiful purple spikes are a magnet for helpful pollinators like bees and butterflies, turning your garden into a vibrant, living ecosystem. Number 2, the culinary guardian, basil. Next up, a plant that belongs in your kitchen just as much as your garden, basil. This culinary hero is more than just the star of pesto. It's a surprisingly effective mosquito-fighting machine. Basil's power comes from its pungent essential oils, which contains several compounds that mosquitoes find literally disgusting. The main players here are linalool, which we also saw in lavender, and eugenol. Research shows these chemicals can mess with a mosquito's sensory receptors, making it tough for them to find you. Some studies even point out that certain types, like holy basil or tree basil, can have higher concentrations of these compounds, giving them some extra punch. Here is your pro tip. Basil is absolutely perfect for container gardening. Plant it in pots and place them strategically on your deck, a patio table, or right by the back door. This keeps the repellent power close to where you're hanging out. For a quick burst of protection, just crush a few leaves between your fingers to release those potent oils. Want to get even more hands-on? Make a simple basil spray by steeping fresh leaves in hot water, letting it cool, and spritzing it on your skin or clothes. For your bonus benefit, the obvious perk is the food. Having fresh basil on hand will take your summer cooking to a whole new level. But it's also a great companion plant in your vegetable garden, as its strong scent can help keep other pests like thrips and flies away from your produce. Number 3, the tireless defender, rosemary. Our third plant is the tough and fragrant rosemary. Its distinctive woody scent is a fantastic addition to roasted chicken, but for mosquitoes, it's a clear warning to stay away. Rosemary's power comes from an essential oil packed with compounds like cineol, camphor, and limonene that mosquitoes find totally overwhelming. While just having the plant in your yard offers some passive protection, the real magic happens when you get those oils into the air. Studies have shown that concentrated rosemary oil offers moderate, but effective, repellency for a couple of hours. Here's your pro tip for using rosemary. Turn your barbecue into a mosquito-repelling weapon. If you're grilling, just toss a few sprigs of rosemary onto the hot coals. The smoldering sprigs will release a cloud of fragrant, repellent smoke that surrounds your outdoor space, creating a protective bubble. You can also boil rosemary leaves in water to create a simple DIY repellent spray for your skin and clothes. And for the bonus benefit, rosemary is an incredibly resilient and drought-tolerant herb that thrives in sunny, dry spots where other plants might give up. In many climates, it grows as a perennial, giving you year-round beauty and protection. It's also fantastic for attracting pollinators, which keeps your whole garden healthy. Number 4, the aggressive protector mint. Coming in at number 4 is a plant known for its refreshing flavor and its, let's call it, enthusiastic growth. Mint. That powerful, cool scent we love in teas and mojitos is exactly what makes mosquitoes turn and run for it. The active ingredient in mint is menthol, and its strong aroma is a major turn-off for mosquitoes. While a mint plant just sitting there will release a mild scent, you unlock its true power when you disturb the leaves. Studies on peppermint oil, which is a concentrated version of mint's essence, have shown it can be a very effective repellent when applied to the skin, with some research indicating it can protect against bites for a few hours. Here's a crucial pro tip for planting mint. Always, and we mean always, plant it in a container. Mint is an incredibly vigorous grower, and its roots will spread aggressively, taking over your garden beds in no time. By keeping it in a pot, you get all the mosquito-repelling benefits without it becoming an invasive headache. For your bonus benefit, beyond keeping mosquitoes away, mint is a wonderfully versatile herb. You can muddle the leaves for a mojito, brew it into a soothing tea, or chop it into salads. And here's a great little tip. If you do happen to get a bite, rubbing a crushed mint leaf on the spot can provide a cooling sensation that helps soothe the itch. Number 5, the deceptive beauty chrysanthemums. Our 5th plant is a classic garden flower with a killer secret, the chrysanthemum. These vibrant blooms, often just called mums, are way more than a pretty face. They're the source of a powerful natural insecticide. Chrysanthemums contain chemical compounds called pyrethrins. These compounds are so effective that they are extracted from the flowers and used as the main active ingredient in many commercial and organic insecticides. Pyrethrins work by attacking the nervous systems of insects like mosquitoes, causing paralysis and death. Having the living plant provides a deterrent, but it's the presence of pyrethrins that makes it a true heavyweight. For your pro tip, to get the most out of them, plant chrysanthemums in sunny spots around your yard, especially in the beds that border your patio or deck. While they're lovely on their own, some people even use them to create homemade insecticide. By drying the flower heads, you can extract the pyrethrins, but be sure to handle any homemade pesticide with care. And your bonus benefit, mums provide a spectacular burst of color in late summer and fall, right when many other flowers are starting to fade. They come in a huge variety of colors and sizes, letting you create a stunning autumn display while your garden is still pulling double duty against pests. Number 6, the citrus guardian lemongrass. Number 6 on our list brings a touch of the tropics to your yard, lemongrass. This ornamental grass is famous for its sharp, citrusy scent, and that is the key to its mosquito-repelling power. Lemongrass is one of the natural sources of citronella oil, which is one of the most famous natural insect repellents out there. The strong smell comes from compounds like citral and geraniol. These chemicals work by masking the carbon dioxide and lactic acid our bodies give off, the very things that scream dinner time to mosquitoes. By cloaking you in its powerful scent, lemongrass basically makes you invisible to them. Here is your pro tip. Lemongrass is a fast-growing grass that loves full sun and can be planted in the ground or in big pots. To really activate its repellent power, just brush against the stalks as you walk by. Or, even better, crush a piece of a leaf and rub the fragrant oils directly on your skin for immediate protection. The more you interact with the plant, the more of that repellent scent it releases. For your bonus benefit, lemongrass is a key ingredient in many Southeast Asian dishes. You can harvest the tender base of the stalks to add a bright, lemony flavor to soups and marinades. And beyond the kitchen, it's a beautiful ornamental grass that adds height and texture to your garden. Number 7, the pungent protector Alliums. At number 7, we've got a whole family of plants famous for flavoring our food and warding off pests, the Allium family. This group includes garlic, onions, chives, and those beautiful globe-shaped ornamental alliums. The repellent power of alliums comes from their high concentration of sulfur compounds, which is what gives them that strong, pungent smell. That distinct aroma is great at confusing and deterring a whole range of insects, including mosquitoes. When you plant alliums in your garden, they release these compounds into the air and soil, creating a zone that pests would rather avoid. Here is your pro tip. Use alliums as a defensive border. Plant garlic or chives around the edge of your vegetable garden or flower beds. This creates a natural barrier that helps protect more vulnerable plants. Ornamental alliums, with their tall stems and their striking purple flowers, can be planted throughout your garden to add both beauty and pest-fighting power. For your bonus benefit, alliums are fantastic for companion planting. Their strong scent helps deter pests like aphids from attacking more delicate plants like roses. And, of course, the culinary benefits are endless. Having fresh garlic and chives just outside your door means you're always ready to add a punch of flavor to dinner. Number 8. The feline's friend, catnip. Number 8 is a plant that will make your cat go wild, but it'll also send mosquitoes running for cover. Catnip. It's famous for the happy dance it induces in felines, but it's also a surprisingly potent insect repellent. Catnip contains an essential oil called nepentolactone. This is the chemical that attracts cats, but it's also what makes the plant so effective against mosquitoes. In fact, some lab research from Iowa State University suggested that in specific, controlled tests, nepentolactone could be more effective at repelling mosquitoes than DT. Now, while real-world results will vary, it just goes to show the raw power this plant is packing. Here is your pro tip. Catnip is super easy to grow in pots or right in your garden. For an immediate repellent effect, you can crush the leaves and rub them on your skin. But be warned, if you have cats, they might suddenly find you very interesting. If you'd rather not be a walking cat toy, you can simply plant it in areas where you want to keep mosquitoes away, like near the patio or in window boxes. For your bonus benefit, if you're a cat owner, the bonus is a no-brainer, an endless supply of fun for your furry friend. Catnip is also in the mint family and can be used to make a calming herbal tea for humans. Plus, its repellent properties don't just stop at mosquitoes. It can also help deter pests like cockroaches. Number 9. The Smoky Shield Sage. Coming in at number 9 is another classic herb with ancient roots and powerful protective properties. Sage. This aromatic plant has been used for centuries for its cleansing properties, and that includes cleansing your yard of mosquitoes. Sage's repellent power comes from its fragrant oils, which contain compounds like camphor. The plant itself has a deterrent scent, but its mosquito-fighting abilities get a massive boost when it's burned. The aromatic smoke it produces is highly effective at driving away mosquitoes and covering up the human scents that attract them. Here's your pro tip. Harness the power of smoke. The next time you have a bonfire or are sitting around a fire pit, toss a bundle of dried sage into the flames. As it smolders, it releases a thick, fragrant smoke that creates a potent, mosquito-free zone. This is an ancient technique that's not only effective but also adds a wonderful aroma to your evening. For a more direct approach, you can also crush fresh sage leaves and rub them on your skin. And your bonus benefit. The practice of burning sage, also known as smudging, has been used in spiritual traditions for centuries to cleanse a space. Beyond its repellent and spiritual uses, sage is, of course, a delicious culinary herb that pairs beautifully with poultry, pork, and fall vegetables. Number 10. The Scented Sentinel, Scented Geraniums. Finally, rounding out our list is a plant that's a mosquito-fighting champion, but also a loyal, worthy, fragrant friend, the scented geranium. Specifically, the variety often marketed as the citronella plant. Now, let's be clear. While true citronella oil comes from lemongrass, these scented geraniums release a pleasant, citrusy fragrance from their leaves that mosquitoes happen to dislike. The scent comes from oils that are released when you brush or crush the leaves. Although its passive effect is less potent than many others on this list, its beauty and delightful aroma make it a great addition to your defensive lineup. Here is your pro tip. Scented geraniums are perfect for pots and hanging baskets where you'll brush up against them often. Place them on your porch, along a walkway, or on the patio table. As you walk past, you'll naturally disturb the fuzzy leaves, releasing their lemony scent. To get a stronger burst, just pinch or crush a leaf anytime you're sitting nearby. For your bonus benefit, scented geraniums are beautiful and incredibly diverse. They come in a wide variety of fragrances, from lemon and rose to apple and mint. Their lovely, crinkled leaves and delicate flowers make them an attractive addition to any container garden, adding great texture and a wonderful sensory experience. All right, now you have an army of 10 mosquito-fighting plants, and the key to victory is strategy. Just scattering these plants around is good, but creating a layered defense is way better. Think of it like building a fortress. Start with your taller plants, like lemongrass or rosemary bushes, along the outer edges of your yard. That's your first line of defense. Next, bring in medium-sized plants like lavender and chrysanthemums for the garden beds closer to your house and patio. And finally, deploy your potted warriors. Place containers of basil, mint, and scented geraniums right on your patio, by the back door, and around your chairs. This creates the concentrated zone of protection exactly where you need it most. By layering your plants like this, you create a powerful, multi-scented barrier that mosquitoes will have a really tough time getting through.